everyone, this is Alan. I'm currently transplanting and installing George's management setup. I sold him my eManage Ultimate, which is damn near close to standalone as you can get while being a piggyback. So you can see eManage Ultimate Stage 2 Plus with boost and wideband input. I have a GM 3-port boost control solenoid, equal length lines for boost source to wastegate, Ready 3-bar map sensor, AEM patch harness that I did myself, PLX SM series wideband. This is the recipe for disaster. Good evening everyone, this is Alan. Here's an update on George's VR-4 15G build by me, Alan of BTS. So I have the management system installed with a PLX wideband. I also installed some DSM side mount intercoolers, as you can see. Driver's side. Passenger side, a lot better than the stalkers. Added a few polished parts to clean up the engine bay. Still needs more TLC. You can see the 3-bar Ready map sensor right here. GM 3-port BCS in its temporary location. Separate circuit right here. Got some Dijon pipes and crank vents kit ready to go in once I put fuel upgrades. Grady Type S recirculated in closed loop for now until I do a MAF-less tune. You can see my Grady RSS for tuning and the PLX gauge right here.